thank you for watching G-Live Show. I'm Masimomo. Thank you for watching. Everyone is doing well. I thank God for that, and I know you're good. Yes, we are here at the World Music Day. It's really funny and day where we're going to have fun, different things. We have culture, artists, different artists upcoming, the ones we know, the celebrities. So I don't want you to miss. Just be with us. We're going to show you everything. As long as you're with us, just know you're going to see everything and you're going to enjoy the show.
World Music Day, so we're here to witness it and celebrate it as artists. One is that youth should do research. Research is very key. Then after research, try out and seek information like from people who have done the same business before. You know, two, don't be scared to take a risk. You know, we're much held up by taking risks, and also we take risks to show that we have taken risks so that we should be supported. No, take the risk because you can endure the risk. You know, so I feel that we have a lot of creativity and we have a lot of entrepreneurship which the world is going into and which is running the world right now.
The inspiration he has given to the youth is really nice. Please get that. Youth, let's love to work. That's what I can tell you. Yes, you're still on G-Live Show and we are bringing a lot of things. Don't miss.